Beef and cheese tortellini. Hi, I'm Laurie and I'm making beef and cheese tortellini. This was the first time I had ever made it and it turned out really good. Here's the recipe. It is also at the end of the video so you can pause and save it. Use 1 pound of lean or extra lean ground beef. In a medium or large stovetop pot, brown the beef with seasonings of your choice. I used a heaping tablespoon of garlic, salt and pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, and Italian seasoning. So mix your seasonings in and brown the beef. Pour in a 24-ounce jar of marinara or spaghetti sauce, but don't throw the jar away yet. Pour the beef broth in the empty pasta sauce jar. Shake the jar to get all the sauce mixed, then pour it into the pot. Then pour in a 16-ounce package of frozen cheese tortellini, or you can use any version like the spinach version. Bring it to a boil, stirring often, then turn it down to a simmer. Then cover and cook about 20 or 25 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Use a spatula to mash down the tortellini to make sure it's cooking under the sauce. After 20 or 25 minutes or so, when the tortellini is soft, stir in 2 cups of cheese. I use 1 cup of Velveeta shreds and another cup of this Belgioioso brand shaved blend of Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano. I found this at Sam's Club, but you can use any cheese or blend of cheeses you want. I put approximately 2 cups total in and a little extra to sprinkle on the top. Stir it all in for a few minutes until it's all melted and creamy. It should look like this thickness. Turn the heat off and let it cool. It will thicken as it cools. Sprinkle on some cheese and enjoy. Thank you for watching.